Here's another pickup in, a unique Specialty in Classics. Beautiful looking 1967 Chevrolet C10 regular cab, long box. I'd say this is a little bit of a resto mod. It's been lowered in the front, does have power disc brakes up front, also has power rack and pinion steering, has had AC added to it, so it's got the nice equipment to it. Underneath the hood is a small block Chevy, 283 V8 underneath there, 4-barrel carb. Truck runs and dries extremely nice. Paint is new on it, also in very, very nice shape. Take a look at the still pictures. They're on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. You can check out the paint and all the still shots of it. Check out the engine bay, interior, bed. Bed's beautiful. When we get back to that, I want to show you that too. The wood's got just an amazing, nice lacquer job on it. Feel free to call us too if you have any questions on this truck. Trucks have been extremely popular lately. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Come around and show you this bed here. Got a couple floor mats I took out so you guys can see the carpeting too in the cab. But yeah, check out this bed. Look at the luster coming off that. Very, very nice lacquer job to it. Like I said, bed's not all dinged up or dented up either. It's overall a very nice truck. Be a great one to show. Be a nice driver for cruise-ins, or just want to have a little fun on Sunday afternoons. Again, please check out those still pictures. I'd like to look this truck over good. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. We'll slip around to the driver's side, start it up, see here, running everything too. You can see how straight this truck is. Paint was laid down on it very nice. A little bit of a candy red paint, almost beautiful. Kind of deep burgundy, yes. We'd call it. Again, you can see it's not full of dings, nicks, scratches, and it's straight. You don't see any ripples or runs or anything like that in it. Check out this interior. Interior has kind of been kept pretty stock in it. Stock dash, wheel, automatic shifter coming up from the floor there, with door cards and everything. It's got that stock look. Nice carpeting in it. Like I said, there were those floor mats in the back. I'll toss back in here when I'm done. Check out the cab. Very nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you guys can hear it run. Maybe check out that engine bay too. Doesn't take a whole lot to start it. Tell it's a good runner. A little aftermarket stereo system put in it, AC controls. Did I mention the transmission in it is a 700R, new Monster 700R, I believe, in it. So you got overdrive. Must be a nice one for taking down the road. Those power disc brakes, power steering, rack and pinion steering. Overdrive transmission. Very nice. So nice as that door shuts, latches. I'm going to pause the video and pop that hood, show you how nice and tidy this engine bay is on this vehicle too. Alright, there you go, hood popped. Check out the engine bay and how clean this is. Listen how smooth that V8 burrs. See the power brakes there. AC. Just nice and neat. Well done. Once again, check out the still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, we can assist with shipping across the U.S. Feel free to call us. Got any questions on that or anything about this truck? 507-386-1726. 1967 Chevrolet regular cab long box. A little bit of a resto mod. Very nicely equipped truck, ready to roll.